Hello, everyone. For mid-market companies, time is more than just a metric. It's a competitive advantage. Yet many growing organizations still rely on manual reporting processes that take hours or even days to complete. In 2026, that delay is no longer acceptable. Businesses need real-time insight to respond quickly, optimize operations, and scale efficiently. This is where modern BI dashboards make a measurable difference. With tools like Bold BI, mid-market teams can move from static, delayed reports to dynamic, real-time dashboards. Instead of waiting for data, teams can instantly access up-to-date insight, cutting reporting time by up to 50% and freeing up valuable resources for strategic work. One of the key capabilities that drives this transformation is auto-refresh. By automating data updates, dashboards stay continuously aligned with your latest business data. To get started, navigate to the dashboard server page and open the dashboard you want to configure in design mode. From there, click the Refresh Settings icon in the toolbar to access the configuration panel. Enabling the Auto Refresh option automatically updates your dashboard at a defined interval, ensuring your team always works with the most current data. By default, the refresh interval is 30 seconds, but it can be easily adjusted to suit your business needs. For example, setting the refresh interval to 1 minute can provide near real-time insight while balancing system performance. This simple change eliminates the need for repeated manual updates, which is often one of the biggest time drains for mid-market reporting teams. Beyond refreshing the entire dashboard, Bold BI also allows you to apply different refresh intervals to specific widgets. This is especially useful for mid-market companies managing diverse data sources, where some metrics require frequent updates while others do not. By enabling the Refresh Selected Widgets Only option, you can choose exactly which visualizations to update, optimizing both performance and efficiency. Additional settings further enhance control and accuracy. You can enable refresh based only on data changes, such as when rows are inserted or deleted, so updates occur only when necessary. You can also choose whether to display a loading indicator during refresh cycles, providing users with visual feedback or maintaining a cleaner interface based on preference. Once your settings are configured, click OK and publish the dashboard. When you switch to view mode, your dashboard will automatically refresh at the defined interval. A visible refresh indicator lets users trigger an immediate update when needed, and the dashboard banner displays the latest refresh timestamp, ensuring complete transparency. For teams that require more granular control, widget-level refreshing provides another layer of optimization. By configuring only specific widget visualizations to refresh at shorter intervals, businesses can prioritize critical data without overloading the entire dashboard. This targeted approach ensures that high-impact metrics are always up to date while maintaining overall system efficiency. By adopting these automated refresh capabilities, mid-market companies can dramatically reduce the time spent preparing and updating reports. Ultimately, this is how mid-market organizations are transforming their reporting processes in 2026 by replacing delays with real-time visibility and turning dashboards into always-on decision engines. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by clicking the Try It Free option. If you want a demo from an expert, schedule a call by clicking Request Demo. If you find this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.